When is the best time to plant a fruit tree? The best time to plant a fruit tree is in the wintertime. Why would you want to plant it in the wintertime? It seems like the best time would be in the spring, but the best time is in the wintertime because your tree is dormant. Like this pear tree, it's dormant, it's asleep. Now, a lot of people think, well, the tree isn't going to do a whole lot if I put it in the ground in the wintertime. Well, in the wintertime, a lot of the nutrients are pulled from the branches, is pulled to the trunk and into the roots. And trees will spend the winter developing a better root system so that the heat of the summer won't kill them. Okay, so it develops a better root system so it can better survive the heat of the summer. So this makes winter the perfect time to plant a tree. Now, if you're going to plant a bare root tree, this would be the only time I would plant it. Let's say from November to February would be a good rule. It's cool. You can put that tree in the ground. It doesn't have to fight the heat. You put it in the ground and it starts to develop roots. Now, for me, I like to put mine in the ground about January, maybe early February, and it allows. Now, but I put trees in November and in December before. In fact, this year I've put some trees in November. And so it's okay as long as they are dormant, they're asleep. So November to February, especially if it's a bare root, because those bare root trees really do need to develop a root system to prepare for the heat of the summer. Now, if you get a tree that is in a pot, it has a developed root system, you can plant those year round. Now, it's still best to plant them in the wintertime so that those roots can acclimate, or so that they can adapt to the soil that's going to be native to them at that point, so that the roots can start to go and work their way through that native soil, and it helps develop that root. However, because it has a developed root system, you can put them in the ground year round. So in the middle of the summer, the big box stores are going to have fruit trees. They're going to be on sale. And the reason they're on sale is because midsummer is not the best time to put them in the ground. But because they're on sale, you may want to buy them. And I've bought trees that were reduced by a whole lot. Okay. I got them very cheap, 50, 60, sometimes even 75% off. I will take those and put them in the ground if they're in a pot, and they usually do pretty good as long as you keep them watered, because that soil that is in that pot, those roots will grow in that soil for that year. It's going to take them a little while for them to creep through and get into the native soil. So you got to make sure you water them, but you can plant them year round because they have developed roots. So the best time to plant any tree is the wintertime. If you have a bare root, make sure you're planting it in November to February, maybe early March. If you get a tree that is in a pot that has a developed root system, you can put those in the ground year round. But if you put those in the ground during the spring and summertime especially, make sure you keep them watered and water them often. So the best time to put a tree in the ground, wintertime.